Hello everyone, and I'm really honored to be sharing this Saturday for the Newbie China programs. And on this 1 hour sessions, I will be focusing on sharing my experience from studying in Malaysia as a high school graduate and came to Hong Kong, entered into a pretty decent university, and later on graduated from my uni and joined international firms in Hong Kong in the financial market. I will most likely be sharing about my experience and what I have done and the challenges that I face. And I hope to give some inspirations or some perspective about international perspective about jobs, friendship, so it's like how do you handle challenges if you are alone, like sometimes when you are in challenging time. And later on I will also share a little bit more about what does my firm do and what do I do, and I hope that will give you some perspective about the international capital market, and that's mainly what I will talk about.